Starting around 26 October 2023, Algorand sort of is exchanging at 10 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.73% in very most recent 60 minutes, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algo explicitly has a for the most part complete market cap of $811,916,780, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $42,807,380, or so they certainly thought. This essentially makes Algorand, Algo, by and large positioning at 48 in the digital currency market, or so they fundamentally thought. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand most certainly be somewhat worth in 2023, which basically is genuinely critical. Is Algorand a very wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, or so they generally thought? Will Algo cost all things considered outperform its unequaled high, which truly is genuinely critical? These explicitly are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023, as per the Algorand figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Algo cost in a real sense is supposed to truly cross a fundamentally normal value level of 12 cents, the normal truly least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the really current year, ought to for the most part be 12 cents in a truly significant manner. Besides, Algo can basically arrive at a really greatest value level of 13 cents in an unpretentious manner. Algorand value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the greatest cost for Algorand could stretch around 11 cents, or so they sort of thought. Besides, the minimum cost of Algo in August 2023 in every way that really matters is 10 cents with a typical cost of 11 cents in a kind of huge manner. Algorand value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand for the most part is supposed to fundamentally be at around an extremely least of 11 cents, which certainly is very critical. Algorand cost can basically arrive at an especially limit of 12 cents, with the by and large normal cost of 11 cents in United States dollars, which generally is very huge. Algorand value figure October 2023. In October 2023 the cost of Algorand in every practical sense is supposed to truly be at around a really least of 11 cents in an in every way that really matters significant way. Algorand cost can generally arrive at an in every practical sense limit of 12 cents, with the really normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, essentially further appearance how Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023. As per the Algorand gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Algo cost truly is supposed to cross a sort of normal value level of 12 cents, the normal in every way that really matters. Least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to explicitly be 12 cents, which especially is very huge. Algorand value expectation November 2023. The cost of Algorand basically is certainly anticipated to generally reach at a genuinely least worth of 12 cents in November 2023, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Algo cost could arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of 13 cents, with the typical exchanging worth of 12 cents all through 2023 in a by and large huge manner. Algorand, Algo, value conjecture December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Algorand sort of is truly anticipated to fundamentally arrive at a very normal cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange between a for the most part limit of 13 cents and at least 12 cents kind of additional appearance. How might Algo cost essentially outperform its unsurpassed high, which by and large is genuinely huge? Algorand kind of past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Algorand's cost in a real sense has shown a very decent increment of 1.41% in the for the most part, most recent 24 hours, which certainly is very huge. From genuinely most recent 7 days the Algo basically was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 13.93% in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand for the most part has shown areas of strength for extremely potential of late, and this could be genuinely great chance to truly dive right in and contribute, which certainly is very huge. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of Algo in a real sense diminished by 56.499%, taking out an astounding essentially normal amount of 13 cents from its truly current worth, which sort of shows that Algorand value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand generally is supposed to for the most part be at around a truly least of 11 cents, Or so they for the most part thought. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a very decent essentially purchase and open door for certainly fast interest in a by and large huge manner. The 90 days cost change truly is near 58.08%, and the cost truly flowed from a sort of least truly normal cost of 23 cents to by and large greatest especially normal cost of 25 cents in the especially beyond 90 days. Exhibiting that Algorand truly has shown areas of strength for extremely of potential recently, and this could be by and large great chance to for the most part dive right in and contribute, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Algorand in a real sense is somewhere near 45.22%, with the very most extreme certainly normal cost of the coin especially was around 17 cents, and the by and large least kind of typical cost of truly was around 16 cents in exceptionally beyond 4 months in an especially enormous manner. Algorand value figure 2023 facts. What will truly be Algorand truly worth in 2023 in a fundamentally significant manner? The algo cost especially is determined to basically arrive at an essentially most extreme degree of 13 cents, with by and large least cost of 12 cents toward the finish of 2023, sort of additional appearance how inside the sort of most recent 1 month. The cost of Algo truly diminished by 56.499%, killing an astounding kind of normal amount of 13 cents from its ongoing worth, which for the most part shows that Algorand value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand especially is supposed to fundamentally be at around an essentially least of 11 cents, or so they in a real sense thought. Does Algorand truly have a future? As far as value, Algorand in a real sense has a remarkable for the most part potential to really arrive at new levels, showing how Algorand value gauge 2023 facts what will essentially be Algorand by and large worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner. It for the most part is figure that Algo will increment in esteem, showing how certainly is Algorand a very wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 incredibly. As per fundamentally unambiguous specialists and business investigators, Algorand can truly stir things up around town of the greatest cost of $3.93 till 2030, showing that besides Algo can explicitly arrive at a truly most extreme value level of 13 cents, which truly is very critical. Is Algorand sort of worth purchasing in 2023, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Algorand's worth for the most part is supposed to in a real sense keep on growing, as deficiency will in general truly support cost rise, exhibiting how certainly is Algorand a by and large wise speculation or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive way. Kindly note, there for the most part is a gamble to any speculation, showing how Algorand fundamentally has shown areas of strength for commonly potential recently, and this could be decent an open door to sort of dive right in and generally put resources into an unpretentious way. Just truly put resources into what you can especially